How to log out of Facebook Messenger on your Android or iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will show you how you can log out of the Facebook Messenger app. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first of all, let me just go ahead and open the Messenger app. For example, you can see that I'm currently logged into one of my accounts, and if you want to log out, wherever you go, you want to be able to find the option to actually log out. So how do we actually log out of Facebook Messenger? Now, the very first thing you want to understand is that the Messenger app itself does not have an independent logout option. So there are still a couple of things which you can do. The very first thing you can try is to simply tap on your profile icon on the top left hand side of the screen. Once you tap on your profile icon, the very first thing, as I said earlier, you can do is to simply try to switch your account. So if you want to log out of this account, you could go ahead and tap on the switch account, and you could go ahead and simply log into any other dummy accounts which you have in order to not get notified or something. And that is just simply way on how you can work around logging out. And for iPhone users, if this option is not convenient for you, now for Android users, it is actually really easy. You can clear the application data through the settings app. For iPhone users, you have to simply go ahead and uninstall the app. Now for Android users, what you can do is you have to simply open the settings page. Once you open your settings page, over here you want to go ahead and look for the option called apps. So go ahead and simply tap on the apps option. As soon as you tap on apps, here again we'll go ahead and look for the app called Messenger. So go ahead and simply find Messenger and then tap on it. Once you tap on Messenger, you'll be able to see other options. Again, you want to scroll down, and here you'll find this option which is storage. Go ahead and tap on storage options, and you can clear the cache. And in order to log out, we will simply reset the app, and we will tap on clear data and tap on OK. Now if I go ahead and come back and show you from my Messenger app again, you will be able to notice that I have been successfully logged out. Unfortunately, this is the only way to work out around logging out on Messenger. There isn't a definitive option within the app or within the settings interface. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.